sign up, make an account. So you haven't made an account, go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and make an account. Once you made an account, go ahead and log in. Alright, I'm all logged in. So I want to go to my PayPal. Alright, so now I'm in. So I have $17 on hold. I have $8 in my account, which is very, very low. To multi-order shipping website or whatever. So I'm going to hit create. I'm going to type in the quantity. So let's say somebody bought 4 lip gloss. I'll type in 4. Somebody bought 1 lip gloss. I'll type in 1. You get the point. Now, you're not going to have an order number if you're just making this on your own. Or you have like a little website or whatever and you want to keep track of how many orders you have. Then I guess you could do like order number 2, order number 46, whatever. You can create your own item number if you want to. All this is optional. I don't do any of this. I just type in the quantity. And then you can even type in your item name. For example, glitter lip gloss. Alright, but again, that's optional. I don't even do that. Type in your customer name. So let's say my customer name is Lily. And her last name is going to be Wall. Alright, then I'm going to type in Lily's address. Her address is going to be 1212 Tall Lane Road. Using this as an example, right? Then you don't really need to put anything right here. But they have an apartment number. You just want to put like apartment. Well, I'm going to type in road. Okay. Apartment 56B. Whatever. Again, all that's optional. Okay. I'm gonna leave it as lane. Then the city, let's say she lives in Atlanta, right? Type in Atlanta. And then you're gonna choose what state. And we're gonna choose Georgia because Atlanta is in Georgia. Then you're gonna type in the zip code. I have no idea what the zip code is for Atlanta, so I'm just gonna type in a random number, okay? Because I do not know the zip code for that right now. I think that's so many digits. Then you're gonna hit continue. Then you're gonna choose how you want to ship it. So first class mail is gonna be $2.66 for shipping, or you can choose medium mail. No idea how much that is. Priority mail is going to be $3.50. But again, the cheapest one is going to be first class, so we're going to do first class. Now, if you're going to type in, if you're going to send in like a large box, so you want to leave it as large package, and then you want to put how much it weighs, you have to weigh it. For example, if you put 4 ounces, right, and your package is like 10 ounces, they're going to charge you. It's going to be some problems. I don't know what the process is for that because I've never done that, so I wouldn't suggest it. So I'm just going to put 4 ounces, right? And if you're going to send like a little package, just choose package thick envelope. That's what I always choose. So I'm going to put 4 ounces. Now you can choose, this will automatically be a check mark. So it's going to give you the tracking number. Or you can check mark it right here to make sure they got it. They have to sign for it in order to get it delivered. For order for them to keep it, like they have to be there to sign for it so they can get the package. Otherwise, they're going to leave it at the post office. And then this is also an option for the price to be on the shipping label. But you don't need to put that. And you really don't need this either because as you can see, it is going to cost you extra money. So I would just leave it as USPS tracking included. Then you want to hit create shipment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know a lot of people kept asking me how do I package up my items. So after I ship the label, I just tape it on here on a padded envelope. This is a 4x8 size. You can get these off of Amazon. You can get 50 for about $8. So here's the inside. I know I showed you guys this already in my other video, but just in case you missed that video, so it's just like little bubbles inside. So it's very small. Again, this is a 4x8. So after you print the shipping label, again, you just want to tape it on here. I'm not going to show that in this video. I already have a video of me taping a piece of paper on here, but I just want to show you again what it looks like. And so what I do, I just take my glosses. So this is the diamond gloss. So what I do is I just take one of these labels and I just put it on there. I got these labels from AliExpress. I have a video on how I did these labels, so please do not ask me where do I get my labels from in the comment section, because I will not answer it, because I'm telling you this now. So what I do, I'm just going to take one off of here. And I'm just going to put it on there just like that. Just like that. And I'm going to do like that. Make sure it sticks good. So this is what it would look like. And I'm going to do this one more time. Again, I'm just going to place on it like that. I'm just going to fold this over like that. And then there it is. Very simple, very easy, guys. And so after that, I just take my little jewelry bag. You can get these off Amazon, eBay. I got this from AliExpress. I got 50 for like $3 and something. And the size is, it's the second to biggest size. I think it's a 6x10. So that's the size of these. And so what I do is I just drop these in there just like that. And I make sure that they are faced forward, just like that. Then I take my business card. These are my new business cards, by the way. So I just take this and I just put it in the back like this. I make sure this Marisa part, the front part, is facing the back. Just like that. So that's what the back will look like. And then this is the front. And then I just close it up like that. So that's all it is. Very simple. Then I just throw this in the bag just like this. I put this in the bag. And then there it is. Very simple, very easy. Again, if you want to know how I tape the shipping label on here, I have a video on that. I'm going to leave a link or put it as suggested in this video. So yeah, guys, very easy, very simple. Anybody can do it. So yeah, and then again, this is what it would look like. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Again, guys, if you have a question, please leave it in the comment section. Do not go to my Instagram and DM me a question, because I will not respond to it. My DM is for business only and not for questions about how I do certain things. Again, leave it in the comment section and do not DM me, because I will not respond. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.